Welcome to our peaceful journey of crafting the perfect cup of tea. Let the calming ritual begin.
Step 1. Boil water softly. A kettle or pot fills with fresh, cold water, placed on a gentle stovetop or electric kettle. As warmth rises, the water whispers, a gentle boil, releasing a soothing steam into the air. Step 2. Add tea leaves. Infuser gracefully scoops up a generous amount of tea leaves, pouring them into a teapot or cup. The aroma of the tea leaves starts to unfold, teasing your senses with tranquility. Step 3. The tea leaves serenely steeping in the teapot or cup, surrounded by hot water. As they infuse, the flavors and colors of the tea leaves mingle with the water, creating a rich and inviting blend. Step 4. Add milk and sugar, optional, and sugar being added to the tea, with a spoon gently stirred to combine the creamy texture and sweetness. Harmonize with the tea's flavor, creating a delightful serenade. Step 4. A pinch of spices like cardamom, cinnamon, or ginger being added to the tea, releasing their warm, aromatic flavors. This optional step allows you to customize the tea to your liking, creating a symphony of flavors. Step 6. Tea being strained into a cup using a tea strainer or infuser. As the liquid flows, the tea leaves are left behind, leaving a clear, flavorful tea. Serve and enjoy. Finally, a steaming cup of tea is served, accompanied by a warm smile. The moment of truth arrives as you take your first sip, savoring the delicious flavors and aromas of your perfectly brewed cup of tea. Thank you for joining us on this soothing journey. May your tea time be filled with peace and tranquility.